So wait, all northbound trains that go here comes from Cumberland, Maryland?
That's what, yeah.
How?
There's a track, it bypasses. It's like complicated which way they turn.
Because how would they get on the CSX Northern sub?
Willard.
Willard?
Mm-hmm.
Well, Willard's east of Astoria.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry guys. This is not the Northern sub, this is the Columbus sub. Anyway, here's the coal train. The Northern sub is south of Columbus and it goes all the way down to Russell, Kentucky.
Yeah, right that way.
This train's going to Cumberland, Maryland. This train will probably have to turn east on the Willard sub in Astoria.
Yeah, that's basically it.
This train probably came from Russell, Kentucky. Yeah, either that or probably West Virginia. Oh, we got a race. Second one's L456. Yeah. This coal train came to Columbus too. Well, you just gotta look in the yard first, then go back south and get the rest of the cars, and then bam, head back north and go straight up to Walbridge.
Out there, 300.
We don't want nothing in the yard.
Huh. What does that do that? He normally helps ride there's a guy that rides on the end of the train.
No, he's probably in the drug while getting warm. He's gonna line him up, probably.
Yeah. Well, it's probably because it's too cold. Alright guys, the first train in this train video was the CSX northbound coal train. I didn't get film for that one, so if you know the CSX trains on the CSX train destination for the northbound coal train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video. Again, this is for the northbound coal train. The second train in this train video was CSX L456. CSX L456 came from Columbus, Ohio, and it's going to Walbridge, Ohio. But first, you gotta go into the CSX Marion Train Yard to drop off some cars. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.
Someone got pulled over.
Yeah.
There's a cop right there, somebody